Most marriages don't end with a dramatic breakup scene. They end quietly, with distance, silence, and the slow loss of connection. But what if saving your marriage wasn't about grand gestures? What if it came down to simple, daily habits anyone can practice? Today, I'll share 7 marriage hacks that actually work, backed by real stories and proven psychology. Take John and Emily. Married for 8 years, 2 kids, a busy life. They loved each other, but arguments over small things turned into walls of silence. They thought they had a big marriage problem, but what they really needed were small marriage solutions. Hack 1. The 60-second check-in. Once a day, take 60 seconds to ask your partner, "How are you, really?" Not about chores, bills, or kids, but about them. You'll be surprised how this tiny ritual builds connection. Hack 2. The touch rule. Physical touch lowers stress hormones. A 5-second hug after work, or holding hands during a walk, does more for your marriage than a long lecture ever will. Hack 3. The 5-to-1 ratio. For every negative comment, give 5 positive ones. Research shows this ratio is the secret to long-term marriage happiness. Hack 4. Silent arguments rule. Never let an argument go completely silent. If you need space, say, "I love you, I need a moment." It changes everything. Hack 5. The weekly ritual. Pick one small weekly ritual. Friday pizza night, Saturday morning walk, or a shared hobby. Rituals give marriages structure and joy. Hack 6. The gratitude note. Write one sticky note a week with something you appreciate. Leave it on the bathroom mirror. It costs nothing, but it changes everything. Hack 7. The 10-minute talk. 10 minutes before bed. No screens, just talking. No big agenda, just connection. It may be the single most powerful hack of all. A strong marriage isn't built on one grand moment. It's built on small daily choices. If you practice even 2 of these hacks consistently, you'll feel the difference. And so will your partner. Which hack will you try first? Comment below, and if this helped you, hit like and subscribe for more practical tips to keep love alive.